So if you're looking for a great dash cam that is going to fit all your needs in the car, the Botslab 4K dash cam is going to be a great option. It has a very unique design that is very different to other cams, and it has great quality video. So like I said, 4K video on the front camera. It also has a back camera that takes 1080p video, so you can be sure that you're going to be covered on the front and on the back. Different options here. You of course have your power button and up and down buttons so that you can navigate through the menu. It has a 2-inch screen here that you'll be able to observe as you're driving or to go through the menus. On the top here, you can find the option to connect the second channel, which will be the back camera. You have your micro SD card slot and the Type C USB connector that is going to allow you to go ahead and provide a power. Right here, you have essentially, this is how you connect it to your windshield, which is the sticky pad here. And something unique that I haven't seen before, it brings these pads that you can apply to your windshield before and then stick the cameras to it. So it will be easy to remove in case you need to move it to a different car, and brings two of them. So that's very nice. Like I said, it does bring a 64 gig micro SD card. Very nice of them to include it. And the cables are plenty long for you to be able to go ahead and make sure that you're not going to have any issues with the connection itself. It even brings the adapter to go ahead and connect it to the USB and the lighter in your car if you choose to do and go that way. It brings a tool to go ahead and help you hide the cable throughout the car, in the trim of the car itself. Like I said, a lot of cables, so this is going to be enough to go ahead and run it from the front all the way to the back. The back camera actually moves around so you can position it. So I will position it like this on the glass, and then I can go ahead and have the camera looking the right way. Or if you need to connect it this way on the top trim, then you'll have that option too. So a lot of options and a great camera. It also comes with an app that is going to help you get to your recordings, and also has a 24-hour recording as well, where it's going to take different shots throughout those 24 hours. So you can be sure, even if your car is parked, you'll have access to the recording. Very nice, very well built, and a great, and I think it's just a great design. You got your speaker here. So it basically provides every single option that you're going to need from a dash cam, and it also has a built-in GPS that works with Google Maps. So if you're looking for a great cam that is going to provide you with all the options and 4K video, the Buds Lab is a great option for you.